Geria se roboti ronde hekero abarai au bagendrete gwecokia na kuria ebirogo au nigo biborai nigo erio kugendera kuraga ekiara abarai barabisi na oyo kuria ekero kibo jumbe asense moye bunge ya Kitutu Chache South Calvin Omwando nigo bono aecokirie na gwichandro kuboro kwa magendro ime ye bunge yo una agotenena ubugutena which basari ogosiro kwa masomo ya aborkiwa na bigo botumiki obobe we chibesa chikegancha kia NGCDF ka okwana nensoko TV Omwando nigo bona aburire abagetutu bamate kumusira sobo chorio bonne bore bosio erio kubaikirania amagendro au ali abarierete eira
nche no mosike Calvin Kenani Omwando ko Getutu Chache South iwo nkuigie kero kyo bujumbe bwa Getutu ase ekurende gocha 2027 chingaki chiabono iga tongena ndete kwa masisha abana baito chigenzi babwate chikadi elinde babe kadi inde by 2027 banyare komeke decision igoro yoburai bwa seito ona ase Kitutu Chache South intubuna Getutu we feel that we have been isolated in terms of development keroko nyoranga ebia chipara cheito igo chire chimbe mono chi constituency chire chonse tobebekaine ichire chiabonchari chire chia Kitutu Chache North they are all tarmacked chipare chigasaina korosi gwororo gusiengi ma South Mogirango gochinyalibali lakini seito Kitutu Chache South igo tomenyete e town lakini torama kolime igo those are the kind of changes that I would wish to make. And what I know, this is not primarily a blame Tokobeka square on government. This is a blame of the budgeting process because a member of parliament has a responsibility to participate in the budget making process. Igo chi proposal cha Kitutu Chache South ntori ya aware kusechi anya gotoka as a budgeting making process in terms of tarmacking seito. Namono ntubwate challenge in terms of general management of our CDF. Bunabono abana baito bechiskuru mbanya kwa bursaries kureta amya chagete yalire egasiekwa abana balenka bono we are going for a second term. Mtu anyako kwa bursaries which makes us beg a questioning of what is going on in Kitutu Chache South because all other constituencies by bursary. So these are the challenges that we face, but ntubwate ogosemelinga abagetutu mbarochaya na ende mbanyare okorobo onchorori obuya bachora abarai babwate vision na ande bakonyara kobotebinga kitoko transform seito where I believe I am one of that leader. I'm that leader who can transform seito na kionko basabera Getutu Chache South bambugatisie segange yo kuri obujumbo na ende ntubwate ngana yende kunabono yamangana administrative boundaries iga bono ntubwate utambo konyoranga kaliomana nkalikago chakabo gati ya Nyaribari Chache constituency na Kitutu Chache constituency. These are questions which are not supposed to be there, but we wonder why okonyoranga unabono mujumbo Nyaribari Chache South ntoiwete wants to create a new division in Kitutu Chache South alia kurende igaiga kurende woresi hospital around there. So we are asking Igalimbo Kitutu Chache South by all standards it is known. You know there are maps chikoro kinga yaba Getutu vale na Banyaribari vale. It's not a matter of just kuata chi boundary. It's how people want to identify themselves. Abantu mbale batenga nchino mu Getutu oyo ndote abanchino mu Nyaribari. So if you make boundaries chikobeko monte sata tageti eyibono okunoko gosera abantabu. That is why we want administration to consider this na ande baligererie banyare ko make good decisions mba beso ko beke division esabantu batatageti.